Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's raining here in Chicago. It's been raining yesterday across much of the Midwest, and these rains are finally moving out into the east. Temperatures turned cold following this. The 2-week forecast in the Midwest calls for normal below temps and normal to maybe above precip. So as things dry out next week, farmers are going to have to start harvesting between some of these rain showers. We continue to hear harvest yields better than expected and close to record. We had another private crop estimate last night with a corn crop near 14.9 billion and a bean crop a little bit over 4 billion. We'll have another private estimate this morning, and their numbers will probably be a little bit lower than that. And the USDA's official numbers for October 1st will be on October 10th, so we'll see how the market reacts to that. Overnight prices are sharply unchanged. I think the market has seen a little bit of bounce in prices and kind of wondering how much more we're going to bounce. At least most traders want to sell a higher bounce and especially beans. Commercials I think are lightening the load in their short corn position, thinking we've traded a lot of the bearish news so far in the corn, but don't look for prices to move very much. We saw yesterday a rally in the European prices in wheat, which helped the wheat market bounce a little bit here. And now people are talking about maybe the wheat market is more of a sideways trading market in Chicago with nearby contract between 460 and 520. Outside market, dollars doing better today because of weaker economic news. And energy markets are lower because of concern about world demand, and also there might be an OPEC pricing war going on with demand slowing. So all in all, not much change in prices. We'll be looking at the weather. We'll be looking at the USDA's October 10th report, and we'll be looking at the farmers' selling habits as we move along. Pretty important weekend election in Brazil. Some people feel that if the current president is reelected, that the Brazil farmer will start selling beans. He's only sold about, let's say, 12% of his beans to date versus 35% last year. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.